Well, higher gas prices aren't the only thing that are driving up the cost of driving for you. As we first told you weeks ago, ICBC has brought in a plan to charge so-called bad drivers a higher rate for their car insurance. But what the insurance corporation sees as bad driving has some motorists and the government going off the road. A-News legislature reporter Shachi Kurl has the story.
ICBC's plan would charge drivers with traffic violations a higher rate on their car insurance. The insurance corporation says the scheme would cost 1/3 of ICBC customers more. The remaining 2/3, in theory, would save. It's a story we first brought you last month.
Our customers have been telling us for some time now that they don't think it's fair that drivers who pose a high risk pay the same rates as those drivers who pose a low risk.
But at the time, the details hadn't been fleshed out. And you know, the devil lives in those details. And it seems speed demons are in the crosshairs of ICBC's crackdown. Got a lead foot? You won't just pay a fine if caught, your rates will go up too. Aggressive driving, failure to stop, that will also increase your rates. And if you have violations in your past, the increases will be retroactive.
That seems a little harsh.
Do I think it's fair? No, I don't think it's fair. I mean, you could be speeding, they say like 10 above the limit is okay, but I mean, if you're still getting a ticket for the thing that's okay, like, I don't think that's fair at all.
No, I do not agree with it.
But while the provincial government says it's looking to reduce fatality rates on the road, it also has a responsibility to the rate payers, hundreds of thousands of them, who could be affected by racking up even a single speeding ticket. That's why Solicitor General Shirley Bond was looking to put the brakes on things this afternoon.
I think I share the concerns that would imply that if you have a single speeding ticket, you should be deemed a bad driver in British Columbia. So I'm going to sit down and have a conversation with ICBC.
Not good enough, says the opposition NDP, which challenged the government to stop the plan even today.
It strikes me that the minister's got to get a handle on her file, got to get a handle on her staff. This is a shock for most British Columbians.
It may well be the BC Utilities Commission that ultimately cuts the accelerator on ICBC, but if it doesn't, speeders' rates could start increasing in 2014, though the tickets they rack up now will count towards their rates. In Victoria, Shachi Kurl, A-News.